In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a poll on Facebook Messenger. Okay, let's get started without wasting so much time. As usual in this channel, we just dive right into the content our viewers are looking for without wasting much of their time. Okay, open Messenger app, the Facebook Messenger app, then locate the group where you want to create a poll. If you don't have a group, you can consider creating the group first before starting this entire process. Okay, I've located a group where I want to create my group chat, my group poll, sorry. So just tap on that group, then tap on the plus button here to the right, this one here. Then you will see an option for poll. Just click on it. Then you will mention what your poll is about. Okay, maybe you can say the best SUV in the market. That will be the question of the poll. Okay, then you'll be asked to add options. Maybe you can start adding options. Maybe you can say, okay, Toyota Prado. Just be very creative with this. It will depend with whatever poll you are creating. You can continue creating and adding options, and you will create the poll finally. Thank you guys for watching. If you found value in this video, make sure to like it and subscribe to the channel for more tips like this. Until next time, peace out.